Hi friend, welcome. Today I thought I would just talk about my 3D modeling I do. I've been printing them off, so I'm going to share some videos of the ones that I printed off. Um, you know, uh, yeah, so I will show you them now. Alright, so what you're seeing here is Dragoon the Drunk, a dragon that I sculpted in ZBrush. He comes with a little crate of alcohol. Um, I did throw on one coat of paint, so it's not fully covered. It's kind of messy. I still want to paint him. But yeah, he's very detailed and I love him because he's just so fat and happy and just so freaking cute. This little guy is my robot shark. I sculpted in ZBrush, and I also did some Maya work for its legs and all those details. I did paint it. I'm not sure if I like the paint job, but yeah, he runs on AA batteries underneath on his little contraption, so he walks on land with his little metal legs. Alright, so these are like some Dungeons and Dragons pieces. I printed off like 4 of them, 3 smaller, 1 a bit bigger. I wasn't really at first going to do a demon, but I was opening up a ZBrush book, and the first lesson was to make a demon, so I was like, oh, okay. So, yeah, I really tried to push it, make it really scary looking. This is the mama, those are her babies. Yeah, I might want to sell them. Too many. So those are some of the prints I made. I'm continuing to do 3D modeling, which I'm probably going to try streaming me working on some of my stuff on YouTube, so you can watch me while I work and chat and hang out. That'd be awesome. You could chat and hang out. We can just, you can give me some tips and maybe I can teach you some stuff I know. But yeah, I mean, it'd be cool to sell my figurines, like, I'm not sure how much. I mean, the ones I've already made, I mean, I'd probably sell them for like 15, 20 bucks, 25, depending. But custom pieces, if somebody was like, hey, could you make me this kind of piece and stuff? Custom pieces would be a lot more, because I'm making something that's uniquely for them. So that would be a really cool kind of little business to start. But, we never know. But, yeah, I thought I'd just share that out. I'm gonna try maybe streaming, probably on weekends, you can just hang out. I'd love if you'd hang out. We could just chat about whatever. Yeah, guess that's about it. I just wanted to kind of share some of the other stuff I do. I know I want to do voice acting, but I want to share the stuff that I, kind of already know a little bit about. So, yeah, I hope to, see you come back, you know how YouTubers they say like and subscribe, you can do that, that'd be great. And then you can follow along with me on this journey of I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Journey of trying. Successes and failures. That's the journey. So, anyway, I hope you have a nice day, and, thank you for staying to the end of this video. I'm really surprised you're still here. What are you doing? Go eat something. Alright. Bye.